Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. This is a solution from JEE Main logarithm question, and before starting the solution, let me thank all the subscribers and all the viewers to inspire me. Find alpha plus beta solution of the equation log cot x base cos x plus 4 log of tan x base sin x equals to 1 if sin inverse alpha plus square root beta by 2 is the solution and alpha beta are integers. Then the four options are given. Alpha plus beta is 3, 6, 4, 5. So let us expand this, and we know that cot x is equal to cos x by sin x. So this equation can be written as log cos x base cos x, ultimately which will give us 1, and log sin x base cos x, and here it will be 4 log tan x is sin x by cos x, so sin x sin base sin x minus log cos x base sin x equals to 1. So here I'll get log cos x base cos x is 1 minus log sin x base cos x plus this will be again 1, so 4 minus 4 log cos x base sin x equals to 1. So 1 I can cancel from both the sides. So ultimately I am getting equation negative log sin x base cos x minus 4 log cos x base sin x equals to negative 4. 1 cancel here, and all the negative sign I can cancel, and here so I am taking log sin x base cos x as t, and we know that this not implies that then log cos x base sin x equals to reciprocal of t, 1 by t. Now this equation reduces to t plus 4 over t equals to 4, or p square plus 4 equals to 4 times of t, or t square minus 4t plus 4 equals to 0. This is a complete square, so t minus 2 whole square equals to 0. This gives us t equals to 2. What is t? T is log sin x base cos x. This is equals to 2. That means I can write your cos square equals x equals to sin x. Cos square x equals to sin x. Now replacing cos square x by sin square x, I'll get 1 minus sin square x equals to sin x, or sin square x minus sin x minus 1 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So here sin x is equals to minus 1 plus minus b square 1 minus plus 4 over 2. So this equals to sin x is equals to Sin square x, oh it's plus sin x, I made a mistake. Sin square x plus sin x minus 1 0, so it will be ultimately, it will be negative minus 1, this is correct. So sin x equals to minus 1 plus minus square root 5 over 2. Now see the equation. Here this cot x is, log function is taken, tan x log function is taken, that means both cot x, tan x all will be positive. So this is only possible when x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 or first quadrant. So here sin x is equals to, tan x must be positive. So this value, here there are two values, but I won't take the negative ones. I'll take sin x equals to root 5 minus 1 over 2. This is the answer. Now we will compare as this equals to x equals to sine inverse root 5 minus 1 over 2. But in the question it was given that x is equals to sine, it has the solution sine inverse alpha plus root beta by 2. So comparing these two, I'll get alpha equals to minus 1 and beta equals to 5. So what will the alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta equals to minus 1 plus 5, that equals to 4. So 4 is answer here. So which one is the answer? Answer is C is the answer. So thank you for watching.